yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this car again. But I've done a lot of work to it, and I say a lot, since y'all been gone. Oh, and by the way, I'm glad you're back, all 152 of you. You know, since you've been gone, I've got the transmission slides all done. We've actually went through some wiring. That way, whenever it all starts, it's gonna, you know, go a little bit easier. We know what we've got to work with. So, with that said, we're gonna go ahead and get the shifter mount put in. Yep, let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and get started on this. Like I was just kind of chit-chatting, saying we're gonna make a shifter mount. So I already know what I need to start with, which is obviously this tube here, some 1-inch chromoly. It's gonna be something simple. I'm just gonna bend a 90 on it. Go ahead and get the shifter kind of put in. It's gonna be all removable. So with that said, we're gonna get everything set up on this bender to do what I need to do. Where'd my lube go? Right here. If y'all watch any of my other tube bending videos, you'll see why I'm doing this. You just want to have some kind of lube on your follower. It helps it from scarring up the tube. Go and get this thing loaded back in. I ain't even gonna measure this thing out because I gotta cut some excess off anyway. I'm just gonna go ahead and load it up. There we go. Put that thing on 0. I already know about what my spring back's gonna be. Like I mentioned before, y'all can watch the other videos, see what even I'm talking about for the ones that missed it. So let's just go ahead and get this thing bent up. There we go. Yeah, looks good enough. We'll go ahead and get this thing in here installed. Shifter does have an adjustable base on it, and I can just put this little short piece right on top. It happens to the best of us. God dang good enough. See, then we can adjust it from here forward. Well, everyone, that's going to be a wrap for today. I just, kind of wanted to give y'all somewhat of a weekly update, walk you through some stuff that I'm doing. I've got some more planning to do to make sure this car actually turns out looking as nice as it can be. As always, just be sure to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on my other channels. They're in the description of this video. And with that said, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all again next week.